Hello, welcome to this video. In today's lesson, I will be talking to you about choosing the correct pronoun when having indefinite pronoun antecedents. What does this mean? That I will teach you how to choose the correct pronoun when you have an indefinite pronoun. For example, I have three here on the board. The first one says, somebody in the women's bathroom broke her ankle. Somebody would be our indefinite pronoun. So this is our antecedent. So somebody in the woman's bathroom broke her ankle. Why did I choose this pronoun here? A feminine pronoun. Why? Because we are talking about the women's bathroom. So we must use a feminine pronoun to describe somebody. Why? Because, I really doubt that a man can be in the women's bathroom. So somebody in the women's bathroom broke her ankle. You have to pay special attention to the context. Since this says the women's bathroom, then we could say, okay, so if it's the women's bathroom, it must be a woman we are talking about. Even though we are using an indefinite pronoun, which does not specify the noun it is referring to. But in the context, you can see that it is a woman we are referring to. So somebody in the women's bathroom broke her ankle. The next one is, some people love their pets. Some is a plural indefinite pronoun. We know that people is a plural noun. So we know that we must use a plural pronoun in this case. Some people love their pets. The last one says, someone in the men's league has lost his mind. Someone is our indefinite pronoun here. So we have to look at the context to decide which pronoun we are going to use. If it is a feminine gender, a masculine gender, or a neutral gender, or a singular or plural pronoun. So someone in the men's league, we have men's league here. So we could decide for a singular masculine pronoun, his. Since we know we are talking about belonging, we are going to use a possessive masculine singular pronoun. Someone in the men's league has lost his mind. This is the way you must choose a pronoun when you have an indefinite pronoun antecedent. Next, I will give you more examples so that you can amplify your knowledge in this topic. All right now, so it's practice time. As you can see here, I already filled in the blanks in red, and you are going to help me decide whether the pronoun I used is correct or not. I also put the indefinite pronouns in the blue box, so you will identify them, except for this one, which is a pluralized noun. Plural noun. Right, so ignore that one. The first one says, each of the boys had his own room. That would be correct or not. Could we say their own room? This is a very tricky one, because if you look at the context, if you pay special attention to the context, you can see that each is a singular indefinite pronoun, and the boys is a plural noun. So you will have to decide whether to use their or his. That is right, his. Why? Because we choose the pronoun according to the indefinite pronoun antecedent. So we are going to take this off here. And now it's perfect. Each of the boys had his own room. The next one says, everyone in the office stated their opinion. Is that one correct? Yes, it is. Why? Because everyone is a plural indefinite pronoun. Therefore, we must use a plural pronoun to describe the antecedent. Everyone in the office stated their opinion. Some students, we know that it is plural because some is an indefinite pronoun in plural form, and students is also plural. So some students are doing their best to learn English is correct. Next, I will leave you some homework because remember that you need to practice as much as you can in order to learn English. All right, now for homework, you are going to write 4 sentences using the correct pronoun and indefinite pronouns as antecedents. Remember, your homework goes in the comment section below this video. But if you have a workbook, do it there as well. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Faby Fitzgerald. I really hope this video was of use, and I will see you hopefully in my next video. Would you like to watch my next video? Click on the television to the right. To you about choosing the correct pronoun according to number. As you can see, I wrote a note here on the board.